Hi everyone, welcome back to SG Dr. Wellness. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. In this brand new year, I'm sure many of you have New Year resolutions. It's a good time to evaluate your physical and mental health and reflect on the changes you want to make in the coming year. Some of you may aim to lose that 10 kg. Some of you are hoping to quit smoking. At SG Dr. Wellness, we aim to impart health and wellness information and knowledge to you. On top of that, in this week's video, we want to share a SMART goal setting system, S.M.A.R.T, to help you achieve your aim for 2022. If you are new to our channel, click on the subscribe button now. SMART goals, S.M.A.R.T, is a very useful tool in laying out the steps to achieve a particular set of goals. It can help you evaluate whether these targets are within reach. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant or realistic, and timely or time-bound. First, be specific about your goals. When you set a goal like, I want to be healthy, what does it really mean? When you're not specific about your aim, it makes it hard to even plan how to go about doing it. So instead of, I want to be healthy, perhaps you should set a goal like, I want to lose weight or I want to achieve a healthy BMI. Once you have that specific target in mind, the next step is to make it quantifiable or measurable. Secondly, set measurable goals. You should at this point set a quantifiable way of letting yourself know how far or whether you have achieved your goal. This will come in the form of measurable figures such as losing 10 kgs of weight or able to do 10 chin-ups or walk for 30 minutes every day. With a figure in mind, you can now see how far you are away from your target. It can also be a great form of motivation when you see yourself getting closer and closer to your measurable target. Third, ensure that your goals are attainable. Avoid aiming too high or too low. You know yourself best. Are you able to reach your goal safely, or might you be reaching for the stars too soon? Always remember that fitness is a marathon and not a sprint. For your own well-being and also for confidence building, always lay out goals that are achievable at your current level of fitness or capacity. Avoid contemplating on far-fetched goals of losing 20 to 30 kgs in 3 months, because not only is it impossible, excessive dieting and exercise can result in injuries. Fourthly, make your goals relevant. Pick a goal or goals that are relevant to your current state. If you are already happy with your weight, then a weight loss goal will not be relevant for you. Instead, an exercise goal like running 10 kilometers a week may be more relevant or motivational for you. Lastly, goals have to be time-bound. You will need a definite timeline so that it creates that sense of urgency. My suggestion would be to set mini goals or milestones that can be achieved at stated intervals. For example, with the aim of doing 10 pull-ups by the end of 6 months, you can set a milestone of 2 pull-ups in the first month, 5 pull-ups by the 3rd month, and so on. Stay disciplined, keep track, and review your progress consistently. Now, with this framework in mind, let me show you an example of a SMART goal to quit smoking. My specific goal is to quit smoking. The timeline I set for myself is by December 2022. I ensure that my goal is attainable by allowing myself to reduce the number of cigarettes I smoke by 2 sticks a month. See that I'm setting a time-bound target at a monthly milestone that is measurable, and the goal is definitely relevant to me as I can achieve better health by quitting smoking. Setting SMART goals is the first step towards achieving better health and fitness. Remain confident, be patient, and stay focused on your goal. Soon, you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle this year. Be sure to involve your family and friends in your goals. They can be a bedrock of encouragement, especially during times where the motivation tapers off. Thanks for watching till the end. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy.